Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka skul St. Anthony's LP School Hashilong. On sapin prano ha ubnai December hadin baladep ki examen final yatu upadar Saji SJD Director Kadan Bosco Technical School haulat pathai khubor. Katay ka skul LP ka St. Anthony kaday kabla rim kabla dap prapos nem layuthu gani kaday ka jingtay kabla rim bha kabla shna de ki ding barkam shngan na kabenta ki khna skul. Ufadar Saji uyathu na kabenta ki pateng ki baminsha kani kaday ka jingtay kabakongsan. Amdan ki weipat ki jingtay ki badan hajan bat kalapin I ya ka dokno jang ka skul ka jingtay G+4 kan bujli ya ka jingtay kabarim. Kajing tay thymmai kan wan ra ye ki jing pynpra ki badan kam ban pendap ye ka jingbun ki khna skul ki banang kiu bat banbu akhmat ye ka jing shngan ka benta ka balanang kham janjan na ka benta ka jing tay ka balatimmen kani ka jing tay kam ya hap shu ba ki kendon jongani ka juk menta na ka benta ka jinglong bajanai jong ka jing tay ong u father Saji kat bangi dang so bat ka ngimla ban ailat ba ka dor ba kenjam sim kantam ya ka jinglong bala banne ula benram kabor penyat skul kadang ya lingbai ke jing akaliang ke jing penbiang ban pentikna bagi kelas kenyai peteng klem jing habaro ki benta jong ke jing penpra batte penyat ya ke jing kala da ka pentut tang kendiat ngibu akhmat ya ke jing shngan kat bangi dang pene pensaru ya ke mensim jong ke sein banwan shaneng Father Saji ula perkhat shapang ke jing tuna jong ke jing don jong ke ne ka dak hakmat ke jing kelasor bat penhe stand Shisin bagani ka jingtay ka bakam he kalami ki briu ki ban ithu wat ka jaka bagani ka jingtay kala ying mensha kan sakala longshen ka bala jannong ka bakham jingmon ulo ong ye ki jingtmu na ka benta ka tay ka ying thymmai la manjur da Meghalaya Urban Development Authority but lakmi lenti ba ka jingtay kan sdangshen Father Saji ulo ong bakat ba bun ki samla puli barim ki sngo ye ka jingere ka baskem ba ka ying barim tang ka dor jong ka pateng jong ka kamla ban penshisha ya ka jing penne pensa ya ka
What he said. See, it's a building which is over 80 years, not as 123 years that is said in some of the papers. It's around 80 plus years, and the building is completely a wooden structure, which perhaps has already run its course, and the building is almost safe. We have close to 600 students sitting in that building, and definitely our first priority has to be safety. And if you ask why can't we have the building somewhere else, we are limited by space. We don't have that kind of place where we can have accommodate all the students, and so we are forced to have a new building in the same place. As is the, as I said, the safety is the first priority, and we cannot have just leave the building and think about another building. That's not possible because of the space which we don't have.
In this 50 years, St. Anthony's country, before that, there's a LP school. Now, what are you going to build a new structure?
The new structure also will continue to be LPU school for some more time, unless when somebody comes later they may think something else. I am not sure of that. But right now, things will be as it is. It will remain as a LPU school.
You said you will just monitor the other safety and security.
Yeah.
But I have seen this whole building, if they can maintain and management, I think it will be a great structure.
No, it is not possible because it is a wooden structure. See, wooden structures cannot stand for over a long time, or reinforcement from the side also is not possible. So we have no other choice, and the the area, the limitation of the space, is what is forcing us to dismantle the building.
Can you tell in which month that this whole building had been structured?
Which month?
Which month, which which year
Huh.
particular this structure building had been
It was made.
yeah.
That I will not be able to say exactly which year because the earlier writings are all in Italian, which I don't understand. So I did not go to make a study of which year exactly this was put up. 22, and began the work with the technical school. The Sananis school was already existing, and so the school was taken over because earlier it was entire high school. Okay, right from class 1 to class 10. Then a shifting of LP school was done to the present higher secondary school. And so here it was only the high school. Later, the new building came up which accommodated the high school, and so the junior school was shifted to the present campus in the present school. That's right. Now, see, prevention is better than cure. A tragedy takes place, then people will say, why we not take care? And we know the building cannot last forever. It has only run its course. And so we have to take the next step in which safety is utmost importance because we have close to 600 children inside there. Safety is utmost important, so we have no other choice. DBTS. Uh, now, all of us are attached to the places that we study. A lot of emotional bonding that is there. At the same time, the new situation arising, we have to look at things in a different way. And so we have to bear up with what is said, but the school remains the same. The building changes, but the school remains the same. Sananis LP school, Sananis High Secondary School, the school is the same, only the building has changed. The same way, Sananis College, that was in Limekra, now that has been shifted down to at the present place. Now the college has become the higher secondary. So these kind of changes will keep on coming. That is not in our hands. Though emotionally we are attached to buildings, more than the buildings, we should get attached to the institution. St. Anne's High Secondary School, St. Anne's School, that is where we are going to be attached to, and that will remain. That name is not going to be changed. The things are not going to be changed. Only the building gets renovated. Uh, Don Bosco said, for me, it is enough to know that you are young to love you. And he said, for you I work, for you I study, for you I do everything till the last breath of my life. I'm sure that's what we are also trying to. Having the young people doing all that we can for their benefit, for their life.